Hi, welcome to Norway. This is the beautiful van that you are renting, and this is the wonderful Norway. So I will show you how to start the motor. It's very easy. Just put the key in the right place and start the motor like that. You have to wait a little bit until the lights are off like that, and then you see that it's starting very well. Remember to be in the parking mode, other way it doesn't start. And then go to air for go back, and drive for go forward. That's it. Never use neutral. It's not necessary. Here is the direction light, and here you can see the cruise control. That is just when you push it up, it keeps the speed in the one that you have in this moment. And then here, oh sorry, one more time. Here are the lights that you should leave it always in auto, but sometimes it's like making a noise, so you will find the way. But so then I will turn it off the motor, and the handbrake is by foot in this car, so this is off and this is on. So Mercedes have this system for the handbrake, like this is on. Okay. Then I will go for now that we are in the front, I will go for the fridge. To put the fridge on is like that, and take it off like that. So the heater is in the back side of the car, that I will show you in a moment, if I can. So here is the heater, but I have two campervan, so in the another system is different, but it's just put it on, put up and down the temperature. It's very easy actually. That is on and this is off. As you can see, it's very easy. So now that we are in the back side, we are keeping in this way, and you will see here is the water. Now sorry, that is empty, but normally have water. And then here is the gas that you press here and here. Now it's running. Here is the fridge. And and here I have all the catering that you need for traveling, plates and glasses, and so we can go now to the back seat. When you want to sleep here, it's automatic. The only thing that you have to do is like that, and the seat is going down. And here I have some tools as well. And then if you want to move it forward, you have this thing here, and then you push it up, and then you can move it forward. But it's very important that you remember when you want to stop it in one point, that you press it down, okay? Otherwise it's very dangerous and it will move forward. Yes, let's see the roof now. Here I can take the camera now. We have this and this, and then I will show you how to open it. You make it like this, one side, and like this, the other side. Now, all right, and then you press like this, and voila, you have. And then I can show you how to be more comfortable here. You can take this. I don't know if you can see in the video properly. Probably yes. Yep. So, and then you have room, and you can be like cooking or whatever you want with more space. When you want to take it down, you have to take always this first. Okay, I will show you how it look like the bed. It's very nice actually. And then you push it from here, but you have to push here at the same time, because this is a safety wire or whatever you call it. And then you can go down, and then easy, and then it goes down. All right, and then you close it at the same way, like this and like this. All right, then I will, if my camera can get inside with me, I will show you how to put the table that is here. You open like this, and then you have this in the back. You open like this, and then you turn it, and then you take off this, and then in this rail, I can see, you put it there, and then this, you open it a little bit more after this, and then you have the table. So to take it off the same way, take it like this, and like this, and put it back in the same place. I will do it, well, I can do it now. Alright, so this is what you need in the back side. Yeah, let's go to the back side of the... well, I forgot to say that the van have two batteries. One in this side of the van, here, that is for driving, and one in here, that is for living. So even if you are running off of the... Now, that is starting. Even if you are running off of the battery in the back side, you always will start the motor, okay? And then you can take it. Oh well, I forgot one thing, get closer. This seat is, it can be like, can be around like this, and then you will have a multiple dinner there, okay? You just put this item. So yeah, here you can see the tricky way to open the gas. It's actually very nice. And then you have here the gas. Now it's open, just keep it open because the gas is heavier than the air, and it will go always down. And then you can see that here should be paper toilet and towels and blanket, and I have also a chair, and so everything that you need. And if you come for this way, here is the water that is going to the sink. So you just open it with the key, put water in it, and fill it up. Here is the, just in case that you are in a camping, you can plug here the electricity in 220 volt. And here, please be careful with that. It's very important. Diesel. Both of the van, they are diesel. Okay. Here's the diesel. And yes, and that's it for now. I guess maybe I'm missing something, but yeah. Well, that's it. Have a beautiful holidays and.